Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 17th of March 2022, today is Thursday. So market today rebound, KLCI rebound, technology stock obviously rebound okay, from the yesterday the FOMC, the Fed announcement. So market is happy with what being reported. Okay, so the market started to rebound. So before we dive in the market, remember subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, so we want to take a look at the technology stock today, which are all the top gainers today. So see what are the how to play the technology stock. Okay, CMB want to open trading account, you can try out CGS-CIMB. Okay, the link is below this video or in my Facebook. Okay, you can find the link. There's a form there. Just fill in the form. Okay, then these are CGS-CIMB broker will reminder will call you to help you open account online. Now everything is online. Okay, Facebook is facebook.com/tradingwithks. Twitter is twitter.com/tradingwithks. Coffee is coffee.com/tradingwithks. Okay, so want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com. Look at the introduction first before we check out what's going on in the market. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, so to sum up the FOMC yesterday, right? So the rate went up. Okay, the US federal fund rate went up from 0.25 to 0.5. And the Fed also mentioned that they will continue increase the rate another 6 times this year. So the rate is definitely going up. The rate is definitely going up. This is not good for the market. But for now, market is happy. Okay, for what happened yesterday. Okay, let's take a look at KLCI first. Okay, KLCI, okay, big rebound. So the price is clear. This 1567. Okay, clear 1567. So look like there's a short-term uptrend. Okay, it will short-term. It will go up. For probably for the rest of this week and probably next week it will stay up. Because looking at the market is quite bullish due to the FOM after the FOMC. Okay, the market is quite bullish, looks quite strong. So probably okay, this one will continue to go up. So market now we can play but not as good as dropping here. Okay, not as good as drop to here and go up. Here go up, still can. Remember, be water when opportunity comes. We just take the opportunity. Okay, so this one looks like now will be short term. In the short term, it will be bullish. Okay. So look at the sentiment today, 72, gainers 670, losers 262. So market is happy. Today volume also up. Yesterday no volume, very bad. Okay, whole day only 2 point something now. Morning already 1.75. So market is quite bullish after this one, after the FOMC. 15.13 points up. KLCI 0.96%, 1586. So market open straight away is positive. Okay, all the way up. Let's check out the sector. Consumer up 0.95, industry up 0.94, construction up 0.8, technology big gain today 4.91, finance 1.38 up. These two will be the one that gain a lot. Okay, finance also because most likely our local rate also here, also Malaysia, right? The OPR also will go up so good for the bank Property go up 0.75, plantation drop 0.09, RET drop up 0.7. Energy drop 0.25, healthcare also up 2.54. Technology up 1.09, transportation drop 0.11, utilities big gain today 0.93. Okay, look at the gainers. MPI, okay, big 10% up. VITROX also up 10%. Bank continue up. Bank just hold long term HARTA today got big gain. Take a look at HARTA. PENTA, KOBAY, UWC, Franken. SAM no volume. DUFU, maybe take a look at DUFU also. A lot lah, all the technology up lah today. Unisam, MC Cement also up MC Cement. Unisam, Inari, Greatech a little bit only. Inari, look at what. Greatech big volume lah. Take a look at Greatech lah. Okay, basically all the technology stock lah. Technology stock take a look Unisam also. Unisam. Okay. So basically this one MPI, VITROX, CARLSBERG also got up today. Let me see. CARLSBERG got up. Yeah, CARLSBERG also got up. CARLSBERG, HARTA, PENTA, KOBAY. So quite a lot. Okay, we dive into the chart quickly. MPI. Okay, big rebound. So this one MPI possible. I think it could come back to where the resistance. Let me see. Okay, we went through this resistance already. So probably it can come back to here around 40 ringgit. Okay, there will be big resistance over here around 40 ringgit. Okay, so if this 40 ringgit will be possibly your opportunity. I would say your opportunity to run. I don't see the Fed will continue to increase the rate. Is no good for the market. Okay, so even though this rebound, right? Okay, after this rebound, I don't feel that it will continue go up for now. Okay, I don't feel it will do this. I still feel this. I still feel end of this year probably it will continue to drop due to the federal rate. So we have to wait and see this one. Wait and see. So if you guys want to run, this would be your chance to run. This would be your chance to run. Okay, a rebound towards 40 possible. Okay, it's all. You run first. You got chance to run first. Okay. If we continue to go up, then we are going to invest. Okay. We see how far this one goes first. VITROX. Okay. VITROX got some rebound. Okay. Possible it can come back to here. I think possible it can come back to here. 8.2. The next resistance will be around here. Okay. Quite possible it can come back to here. VITROX. Okay, this rebound might be able to come back to 8.2. Okay, possible also here. 7.7, 8.2 Okay, so we have to wait and see how far it can rebound. But rebound looks like it's coming A rebound is coming. CARLSBERG. A rebound is coming. How far? We have to wait and see. Okay, CARLSBERG trying to rebound, maybe around the bottom. Market is saying that because the border opening, okay, their sales should be doing well, should be better. So this one, but still no chance to buy in. I don't see got a very good chance to buy in for now. Trying to make a bottom, but still downtrend still persists. HARTA today big rebound. Okay, this healthcare also got some rebound. Top Glove also got some rebound. Okay, Top Glove, HARTA. Top Glove even more 8%. Top Glove actually rebound more than HARTA. HARTA 7%. Okay, so this one short term opportunity to run. I don't see it's opportunity to invest. Opportunity to run. If you are buying, you still are holding it, maybe you got chance to run. PENTA. PENTA Master. So PENTA, the resistance around here, 4 ringgit. 4.1. Probably it can come back to 4.1 or even higher. 4.4. Those there's possibility that it could come back to this area. Okay. The rebound, this rebound. UWC. Okay, UWC, possible this rebound can come back to 4.2 or even, let me see, even 4.9 around this area. This rebound possible can come back to this area. Franken. Okay, Franken. Okay, this rebound possible can come back to this area. Okay, 3.1 to 3.4 area. Okay, this rebound possible can come back to this area. Unisem. This one 3.3. Okay, possible can come back to 3.3. This rebound. UWC 4.2 to 4.8. The rebound possibly can come back to this area. Inari, PIE. Look at this PIE. Maybe 3.27. I think have to watch here first. Can go to 2.9. Maybe you can look for 3.27 around these two area. 2.9 to 3.2. Inari. Inari will be around this area, 3.2 to 3.4. Okay, this rebound should be able to come back to this area. Great tech. DNO possible. DNO possible this area. $4.7 to $5.1. Possible it can come back to this area for DNO. Great tech. Great tech possible these two area. 4.9 to 5.6. Okay, possible it can come back to this area. Other than that, Dufu KOBAY. Okay, Dufu looks like the next big resistance is here. 3.3. Okay, I think it can come back to around 3.3 area. Possible. KOBAY. KOBAY resistance is here. KOBAY possibly coming back to 4.4 area, around this area. I think it could come back to this area. And looking CGS-CIMB today, this one also yesterday we talked about this one CGS-CIMB, part of this MRT benefit from this MRT 3 so MCE. Okay, so starting to rebound. So 2.4 if you can go through 2.4, okay, you can try. Okay, if you can go through 2.4, you can try MIDF 3.0 3.0, but you have to watch here. There's a big resistance over here, 2.7 2.7. Watch 2.7 first. First target, second target is this one, 3.0. 2.7, first target, second target, 3.0. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Okay, for technology stock, right? If you want to take a risk, okay, you want to take a risk. Let's see. I put it. Take one technology stock like Emerus you want to take a risk Emerus, how far it can go? Let me see. Emerus could be able to come back to here, 90 cents. Okay, so I don't recommend this but if you really think you really lose a lot of money, you want to recover a bit, okay, Maybe next week, if we continue to go back, you can buy some lah, average some, okay? So average some in, maybe when it rebound here, you can get another 10%, 10%, 15%, okay, from recover your losses lah, recover your losses. Long term up, I don't think so lah, but I don't suggest you do. I myself will not do it lah. But if you want to take some risk let's say you already buy here lah, you lose a lot. You think do or die lah. Try something that to recover back some of your money, right, from this drop, right? Maybe you can try buy some and make 10% back here lah. Maybe 10% back here. But as I said, right, this does not mean it guarantee it will come back here. Okay, it guarantee, I don't say, I'm not guarantee it will come back here. Okay, it might just come to here and drop again. So you have to take a lot of risk. Okay, whether you want to average up a bit, average up, try to average up the rebound, make back some money, but this is up to you. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to take the risk or not. Okay, like Franken, let me see. Franken actually let me see Franken. Okay, Franken. Okay, Franken actually broke up from this. Okay, it just broke up. That means that it actually do have a chance to go back a short-term rebound. A short-term rebound. Long-term rebound going back up is unlikely, unlikely because the Fed will keep on increasing the rate. Okay, only for now they are happy. The market is, but you see, as long as the market, the Fed keep on increasing the rate, right? Okay, it's no good for the stock market. Okay, it's no good in the long term. It's no good for the stock market. But whether the stock market still can rebound or not, okay, that is up to the institution, how they want to go in, how they want to approach. We don't know, but for a sentiment point of view, right, it's not good for the market. Okay, so this rebound most likely for what? For now, for the looking at the chart, right, it's a short-term rebound only. It's a short-term rebound. We can say short-term rebound. Okay, so it's up to you. I'll talk to you again in the evening. Bye bye.